就拿几个包包吧，太大了。
哦，蛋拿出来了。Okay, get ready. Oops, this one is already here. So let's continue.
我那一点儿，我卤馍摊上一点儿吧。
哦，
够不够？够不够了？不够。我不一定够嘞。这里不一定包够嘞。
对。
呀。
Okay, I have remaining. How's it? Oh gosh, sorry. I'm trying my best. Oops. Maybe. Again, still have long bunch. Yeah. You need to make sure they're closed, because they're not closed. When you boil them, it's gonna show up. So this one have a little bit of meat, some noodles. Wow, this is sweet potato noodles, Chinese type. Yeah, I'm trying my best. The history of dumplings starts way back 18,000 years ago during Eastern Han Dynasty. There's this famous Chinese medicine doctor, Jianbing. I hope I said it right. He invented how to make dumplings because in some villages it's really cold, so how do they keep themselves warm? So during the winter there was this epidemic, the febrile disease. Okay, so what's this febrile disease? Of course, something to do with your nervous system, like that, or like something. Then many people and other citizens were subjected to cold weather because they don't have these warm clothes during that time. So they get frostbite. So mainly around their ears. So they need to keep themselves warm. So this doctor, he cooked a lamb, he put black peppers and a few medical herbs and shredded them, wrapped in a scrape of doe skin. So he shaped them like ears and boiled them. So that's why it looks like ears, to give you a bowl of warm soup. So after a few days, the frostbite was gone. So the epidemic was under control. So with this recipe, this keep other people warm during winter. So especially during the Chinese New Year, this always come out. Well, if you're in China, you don't have to wait for Chinese New Year. You eat this. You can eat this all the time. You just go any places in China, in a Chinese restaurant, or you can actually cook this yourself. So that's the history of dumplings.
I try.
So friends, there are many ways to cook dumplings, where you can boil them, steam, or pan fry dumplings. Well, I love boiled, I love steamed, I also love pan fried. I love everything about dumplings. Dumplings is my favorite Chinese cuisine.
Yeah, they said they also eat baozi or dumplings in winter. They eat dumplings in winter to keep their ears. To keep their ears what? To keep their ears warm. I'm sorry, I'm a very quiet person.
Please click subscribe.
Oh, how that you were. 你喜欢那个半个，那个拌好了。啊好，来啦！看，上一点正啊。